Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing the fourth type of a phrase, that is adverbial phrase. It is again important as most of the exam do have a question from this. So an adverbial phrase. So there are two things to keep in mind. The first one is that an entire adverbial phrase modifies either a verb, adverb or an adjective. So ऐसा वर्ब जो कि हमारे पास किसी वर्ब, एडवर्ब और एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई करता है, हम कह सकते हैं that this is an adverbial phrase. But it's not that easy to identify, so that is why we have to apply the second rule. और second क्या है? वो ये है कि an adverbial phrase answers how, when and where. अगर हम किसी adverbial phrase को replace करें how, when or where को, so it gives us the exact answer of these questions. Now we'll apply both these conditions on examples and we'll try to understand it in a very easy and simple way. So the first thing is they tried hard to get the prize. Now first of all they tried hard to get the prize. हमने क्या देखना है कि किस चीज को आंसर करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये फ्रेज आपको अंडरलाइन है एग्जाम में और आपने आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ये कौन सा फ्रेज है, तो आपने क्या करना होगा, आपने दोनों रूल्स को अप्लाई करना होगा. तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं दे ट्राइड हार्ड टू गेट व्हाट. दे ट्राइड हार्ड फॉर व्हाट. सो जब आप ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं आपके पास आंसर आता है टू गेट द प्राइज. That is the first thing. The second thing is it also gives the goal of this action trying. So हम कह सकते हैं कि not only it modifies the verb but it also fulfills the second condition as well. ना सिर्फ ये modify करता है verb को बल्कि इसके साथ साथ ये हमें आंसर करता है वर्ड को भी. So दोनों क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल है. We can easily say that this is an adverbial phrase. Now let's focus on the next one. If we live without corruption, nothing can bring us down. अब ये underline जो है phrase है, for example आपको given है और आपने identify करना है, तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं if we live. अब देखें live is a verb. अब this has been modified by without corruption, means living how, without corruption. So ये extra information provide करते हैं कि how we must live. That is the first thing. Now the second thing is अब देखते हैं कि ये किस question को answer करता है. If we live without corruption, nothing can bring us down. हम कह सकते हैं कि if we live without what? Again it answers the question what. If we live without what? Nothing can bring us down. So हम कह सकते हैं easily कि if you live without corruption, nothing can bring us down. So both conditions fulfill हो रहे हैं. Now let's focus on the third one. We react to music in highly emotional ways. So यहाँ पर आप देखें, react is a verb because it's an action. अब reacting how? In a highly emotional ways. So not only it talks about the kind of reaction, but along with that it also answers the question how. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि how do we react to music? In a highly emotional ways. So मैं दोबारा से इसको रिपीट करना चाहूँगा कि whenever we have a phrase that modifies verb, adjective or an adverb, so हम कह सकते हैं that this is an adverbial phrase. और साथ में जो हमारे पास दूसरा क्राइटेरिया है that is if it answers how, when and where, so हम कह सकते हैं that this is an adverbial phrase. So I hope you would have got this idea, although it seems quite easy जब कोई दूसरा पढ़ा रहा हो, but when it comes to exam you'll have to practice it properly. So आप जितने भी sentences को practice कर सकते हैं और उतना ही आप उसको मास्टर कर लेंगे विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम. It needs time, it takes time, and you will have it at the end of the day. But I hope that this video is helpful in understanding all the kind of phrases. So hope to see you soon, and if you have liked this video, do like and subscribe. Thank you.